Hey, what's up everybody? It's Campin' Randy here, campinrandy.com. Got a paid product plug or whatever you want to call it here from FITCAM. They found me on the internet, sent me this Dashcam to test out. It's pretty awesome. It's a clean install. It looks factory actually. They sent me everything to try out for free and doing a video for them. And I really like it. This is the opening of the box here. And basically it's some real simple pry tools. You'll need a Phillips screwdriver. And it comes with this factory plug that plugs right into my Honda Ridgeline dome light. Right up in here, you'll see. So what you're going to do is there's 4 screws to get rid of. There's 2 right here, 1 and 2. And then you'll take the pry bar and pop off the covers. And guys, of course, this is for the Honda Ridgeline that does not have the lane keep assist camera up there. So you just pop those guys out down at the bottom with the pry bar. And the link for this product is in the description down below. And once I figure out how to shut these lights off, because I forgot the dome lights were on, I'll show you the other 2 screws that you will remove. One is right here, eventually. And then there's one on the other side. So you're just going to take those 2 screws out. And then you're just going to pull it out. And you're going to take and unplug the front left plug that matches the cam, the FITCAM plug. So it's right up there. This is what the camera looks like. Plugged it in here to test it, make sure everything was working before I put everything back together. You're going to disconnect this plug here, put everything back, and you're going to wire that blue piece that you saw through this little hole, through the headliner, and then plug it in on the plug in the back. Bolt it all back up. Those 4 screws. Put your covers back on. This is a good time to switch them out to LED lights if you want to. Comes with the owner's manual. You'll scan in, download either the FITCAM app for your iPhone or your Android. And one thing you guys got to remember here, I did read in the instructions, you have to disconnect your cellular because as you see it spinning, it's not connected. So I had to go back in here and disable my cellular service. Went back. Connected, poof, there it is. So it's not connected with the 3M strip yet. I'm just testing it. So I put my SD card in there, pulled off the 3M tape, mounted it. Has these little sliders to make it look factory up against the headliner. And yeah, you do not even see it. But yeah, that's what it looks like mounted on all 3 sides. So let's check out some video of a guy backing into me in a parking lot. Just got gas here and I'm pulling out. And this guy's not paying attention because he's got his earbuds in. I'm honking and I don't have the audio on, but you can turn the audio off and on if you want to. So he backs into my off-road bumper. And he basically just gets out. We have exchange of words. He crushed the back of his car a little bit and they ended up driving off. So the quality is really good on this. I really like it a lot. Check out the link in the description. It's on Amazon. I get a little kickback if you buy it. As always, enjoy the adventures.